everyone! Welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing the part 2 of our crepe making. This time we will be making the savory crepe. Yung may mga heavier filling like ham and cheese, as I mentioned before, or chicken, or tuna. It depends on what you like. But for today, I'll be using ham and cheese. And maybe I can also use egg. Ham, cheese, and egg. So let's go! I'm excited. I already showed you how to make the batter for your crepe. You can actually use your regular pancake mix and then just make it more liquidy or more malabnaw. How do we make it malabnaw? Just add more water or more milk, depende kung ano yung nilalagay nyo sa pancake mix nyo. Just add more milk or water to your regular pancake mix. Pag malabnaw na siya, then pwede na siya for your crepe. Okay, you can use that as your crepe mix. Okay, let's go! Time to make our savory crepe this time. Okay, this is our part 2. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell as well so that you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's continue!
A few minutes later.
that's it. Simple lang. Para rin siyang dessert crepe at iibahin lang natin yung filling inside. So, there. I hope you like this video. I hope you also, again, get to try this at home because it's very easy to make. And I'm sure your family will love it kasi it's really good. It's really yummy. So, since hindi tayo makaalis, hindi tayo makalabas, can't eat out, so at least we can just explore and do our own version of crepe at home. Okay? Again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the notification bell below so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much. Bye!